Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey guys, happy Fast Food Friday. We are eating at the dumpling shop. Them changed the name to the Dumpling Cove, but it's really called the Dumpling Shop. Whenever you come to the Bronx, you must have to try this out. So this is our Fast Food Friday. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are doing another mukbang in the car. We are right now in the Bronx. We just came from the dumpling shop and we're actually still parked in the parking lot and we are ready to dig in. I have some fried dumpling with some whitening and some plantains. You know we love the plantains. And then some onions. What do you have, honey?
Some dumpling, you know, onions and some plantain and a sawfish. Let me show you the sawfish. Look at this, fried up.
Yes,
we've been coming here from we was teen. This is the famous dumpling shop in the Bronx.
So if you guys ever come,
try it.
Guys, try it. Let me see if I can bend my thing down so you guys can see it better. I'm eating.
Yeah.
Yes, look how it looks. I have whitening, and you eat it with your fingers.
And this is fried dumpling, family. Who don't know? Whitening.
The onions is good.
Look at the onion. You gotta hit all our famous spot when we come here to the Bronx.
I know.
Come to New York. Every spot. No? Wanna try this sawfish? I know it. Too hot.
I'm not too full.
Not full?
Then give me plantain? Oh, that's good. So we should ask for extra onions.
Let me tell the woman enough onion now. Put enough onion in your plate.
If you guys come to the Bronx and you try this place, let us know.
Get a scotch on it. Got him. I was craving this place. This is the spot. Same fried dumpling that be frying, but one day I'm fried, you make you see. You know, I never make fried dumpling on camera.
That's true. My husband makes the best fried dumpling, I'll tell you that much.
True. True. So now you put your whitening.
You want a piece?
You know, so woman give more onion in your plate than mine.
Everybody else give me more stuff than your plate. Only greedy people say that.
I'm going for extra onion. You want to be a sawfish?
Okay, right now. We're gonna look a bit.
Right now?
Let me take a piece of the sawfish because you know how you move fast.
They play around. They wait on.
I just want a piece of the meat.
Once.
Oh, look at that, guys. Look how white that is.
Fast Food Friday.
Okay, my question is, it's sawfish, but how do they get it where it's not salty?
They gotta soak it. They soak it out.
What was on my food?
No.
Oh.
They soak it out.
It's so funny because my husband and I both have been going to the dumpling shop for a long time, but we never saw each other there. He lived walking distance from the dumpling shop when it used to be this other location, and I lived about 7 blocks from the dumpling shop.
I didn't see you because I was busy getting food. Something nice, man.
Yeah. I like to put the plantain in a dumpling. Yeah. What do you have to drink, honey?
Tropical fantasy, some fruit punch. Decent, you know. Never tried it. I'm gonna try this one.
I'm drinking a cola.
Cola girl. Whoa. Like you want to go in that camera?
Trying to get comfortable.
Car mukbang.
Car mukbang. It's the best.
On the go. And it's so crunchy too.
You yam the bone for the whitening?
Everything.
Yep. Because that's all the seasoning is.
Everything. How juicy is the sawfish is.
It really is. Woo, that's a good picture. Because all that is seasoning in it. You have to eat that.
Have to.
Honey.
Yeah.
Most of them jealous, enough.
Into an onion.
Leave my onions alone.
Oh my, get the wrong onion, the wrong plate. Got to.
I can't eat my food.
You gotta go every stop every time you come out here. Yeah, man. This is the whitening family. It's fish, fried fish. The inside of it. But when I go to Key West, I'll get some of these.
So whitening.
To show y'all.
You know why you always think I have more food than you? Because you eat faster. That's a problem.
You're damn faster than me. Never know my jumping get them a 4.
You should ask for it. The way you move.
This is the spot, huh?
It's really good. You know, I love their porridge too. Okay. I'm gonna put some plantain in my dumpling.
Dumplings so nice, they make my jaw hurt. Wow.
Good choice, honey. I'm glad we stopped by here today.
Needed that. Needed that.
When you guys come to New York, like New York, the Bronx, Brooklyn, wherever you guys go, what's your favorite place to eat? Let us know so we can check it out. Next time we come.
Anywhere the food is, we go get it.
Stop watching my mind.
You're not gonna eat that next dumpling then. Give
It's
me.
like,
And you eat the dumplings, I'm gonna walk from the Bronx back to Jersey. And your name after. You hurt me. Dumpling, my jaw hurt me.
You're weird.
People walking by looking at us like, what the fuck are they talking to? What the hell they do in the car?
No, we have everything set up too. Honey, can you stop looking at my plate please so I can enjoy my food? Thank you.
This is how you is? The one that means don't look at my plate, okay?
No.
Alright.
No. You look at my plate and see what I have left so you can eat it.
Make sure I'm making my food, don't look at my plate.
Stop looking at my plate, man.
Nice.
They've been open for a long time. Since I was like, before, I've been going there since I was like 15 years old. Okay? I'm not gonna tell you how old I am.
I'm so close to my high school. I wish I could have showed them my high school.
excuse me.
Oh God, you can't even see the plate because it's white. It's blending.
What's that?
Nice something. That was good. It was worth it.
And the whitening just falls off the bone. So soft.
It was worth it. Good fries, Food Friday choice. I think I changed up on the floor.
Change. For the meter.
Yo, Majara Amino.
For the meter.
We saw it, we conquered.
What am I do?
So my boy work out, I'm not drinking thing and I say, yo, why here we talking to camera.
Guys, I hope you liked the video, and we really appreciate you guys, and we are just giving you a video whenever we can, no matter where we are. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching us today. I know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. Sorry, I'm looking at people that are walking by. You guys have a great day, and we'll see you for another mukbang.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Do that and give it a thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Bye.